It's recording.
It's already recording?
Yeah.
So like, what am I supposed to do? Tell whose burp is like the loudest? Like,
the best, not the loudest.
I'll be all of you,
No,
alright?
no.
Just letting you know.
Nose goes for first. Maddie, get it. Ready for icing on my nails? Chug.
I have a burp coming up right now.
Hold it in.
Is that a burp?
No.
I was about to say, oh my god.
Chug. Are you zooming in on this?
I don't know how.
Just kidding, don't touch it. Alright, wait. Go.
That was really good, actually. I'm pretty impressed.
Oh my god. She spit something.
No, go for a second. We're actually.
Okay.
Chug.
If you
You have to chug. It's not good unless you chug. It's like German custom. If you burp, that's what it's saying you're a good chef. I'm a good chef. Start chugging. That's what
Chug it.
Mine was like.
My turn.
Green fried beans, green beans, and salad. So good.
Are you serious? That was pathetic. I was like,
Galley, you're
damn.
You tried. The best I could.
No, you have to have this. Why?
Wait.
Because it has to be even.
What?
Better if I use my mouth too.
You made me
But it has
laugh
to be
and it
even.
went over.
Yeah,
Ew.
all of it. Yeah. Chug it. Yeah. All of it. I'm gonna make me throw up. The first burp is the only one you can use. Oh my god, I'm really gonna throw up. Okay, it's good.
Okay, I
Okay,
had
dude.
3.
Don't take
Did you
my-
hear that? I had 3.
Only the first one counts.
Chug it.
Chug.
Can you not chug?
I don't need it.
Hey, that was better than Callie's, but not as good as Maddie's.
No, my second one was better.
I didn't hear your second one. Your first one's the only one that counts. Sorry.
You guys want to play a game?
No.
Hang on.
Yes, please.
Okay, you suck. She definitely wins. I'll beat all of you without chugging anything.
Alright, go.
Oh, I can do that too. What's my game? Mine was better.
No, mine is definitely better. Who would you